Today is Thursday, January 13th. Sims is 4 months old. We had a 4-month doctor visit today, and they said we could try some rice cereal. So Dad's going to give it to him. We'll see how he likes it.
Sims, sit down.
Oh my! What do you think, Mr. Sims? You like it? What do you think? Is it yummy? Is Sims hungry?
You hungry, buddy?
Sims hungry?
Want a little more?
You gonna spit it back out? How does it taste?
Give a little taste for it.
You hungry, Mr. Sims? What you thinking? You like it? You're making a mess.
Open up.
Oh my.
How is it?
Okay, we're gonna keep enjoying. Say bye-bye.